Stuck in an endless press and hold to verify you're a human loop while trying to make a Microsoft account? Network flags, cached cookies, or browser security settings usually block the check from completing. Let's bypass this error step by step. Hit subscribe and let's get it fixed. First, reload the page. Refresh your browser tab and re-enter your account credentials. Next, turn off any active VPN. Turn off any active VPN or proxy software running on your device. Now, open Site Controls. Click the padlock or tune icon next to the website URL. Next, open Cookies Data. Select Cookies and Site Data from the pop-up menu options. Next, delete site cookies. Click the trash icon to wipe stored cookies for the page. Now, open Site Settings. Click the menu again, select Site Settings, and click Delete Data.
Part 3. Advanced Browser Solutions and Support. Switch engine browsers. If using Chromium, Brave, or Chrome, switch over to Firefox or Edge. And that is how you break out of that annoying verification loop and register your account. If this quick browser troubleshooting guide solved your issue today, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.